Lafayette 911, where's your emergency?
Officers respond to a call at a public place.
Okay, and what's her name?
They walk in calmly, trying to figure out what is going
Does
on.
she have any weapons?
They see a man acting suspicious and not listening to anyone. Instead of rushing, officers speak to him, telling him to relax and follow instructions.
Like kitchen knives?
They try to avoid conflict and treat him respectfully. Their first goal is to solve things peacefully.
No ambulance.
The man ignores the officer's command. Police respond to a disturbance outside a store. Officers keep repeating instructions without raising their voice, hoping he will cooperate. Officers are trying to calm the woman down. They don't want things to turn messy, especially in public. She starts getting him politely, stepping closer, give him several chances to comply. You can see that everyone around is watching, but the officers are still trying to handle the situation. Remember, this is real life, not a movie. One wrong move. Since the man refuses to cooperate, the officers decide to place him under arrest. They move in carefully, making sure there's no danger to him or anyone else. They hold his hands, secure him, and take control of the situation. There is no force used. The woman gets angrier. She ignores commands and tries to hit one of the officers. This shows how disciplined officers handle such. The officers realize they can't just back away. They try to restrain her, but she keeps fighting. With the man safely in custody, officers search him to make sure he isn't carrying anything. Officers still don't use any. They then guide him toward the patrol car. They're trained to control. Despite everything, they continue treating him, but things are only getting more. The crowd watches as officers finish the arrest smoothly. No chaos, no shouting, just proper police procedure.
Now, your left hand behind your back. Your left hand behind your back. Don't move yet. You understand? Yeah. You're under arrest. For what? Domestic battery. For what? And now you're under arrest for Agbat 2PO and obstruction.
Finally, officers managed to restrain her safely. No one is badly hurt and no weapons were used.
Make sure you say my stuff. Are you Armani? Is your name Armani? I am a spirit. One thing to let you know. I'm not a female. You didn't even look down there yet. Hurry up! You're all in trouble.
This could have easily turned tragic, but the officers handled it using control and patience. It's a reminder. Attacking law enforcement never ends well. Staying calm could have avoided this entire situation. Thankfully, this ended without anyone losing their life.
What is your name? What's your f***ing name?
Relax.
I'm not playing with your bitch ass.
Okay.
Do you see it in my eyes now? You don't care at all. Racist ass. All this shit is racist. You just want me to die wherever I want. Now you hurry up. Hey, I'm not playing with you. Hurry up.
Under there.
Send us the video. Help! Help! Help!
We were good going down.
You hear me? I said you're going to hell. I'm not playing with you, Tracy.
Pick your head up so I can put this under your head.
What is it?
Your hood.
You don't care, bro. Don't get my shoes, bro. You know it's too cold.
Shut up. Just stay down.
I am down. I know the rules, bro. Nobody was talking to you. Huh? I ain't gotta do y'all say ever.
You got check.
Shut up, shut up.
He better. His camera better be on too. Help! Help!
20 from 25, where are you guys at?
Yeah, Sam's Club.
Oh.
Right in front of Sam's Club.
Top floor.
Right by the entrance.
And I'm gonna get up nice and easy. You better be nice.
20 from 25, where you guys at? Right in front of Sam's Club.
Right by the entrance.
Do not kick and do not hit. You understand? Yeah.
Like right there.
You're over there.
Yeah.
And what about my What about my Bible though? Can I keep that with me? No, we'll hold on to it. You'll bring it right there, right? This is sitting on the back seat, so I don't know what that is.
133 is not the van. So.
know everything. So even if you arrest me, it is done. What do you mean it is done? He's through Chinese racism in my face. Arrest me right now.
Put your hand on your head. Put your other hand.
No, arrest me right now.
Lady, I'm gonna take you to the ground if you don't stop.
Okay, put me in the ground.
Lady,
No, put me in the ground. Okay, go ahead and do that. Arrest me right now. Arrest me right now. Arrest me right now.
Cone out.
Arrest me right now. Take me to jail.
32, she's resisting. Can I have one of my back? Step it up.
Good.
Put your other arm out.
No.
Put your other arm out.
Okay, so if you're gonna kill me,
I'm not gonna
you're
kill
killing
you.
me, so I can't put my arm out. You're killing me, so I cannot put my arm out. You're killing me.
Put your
so I
other
can't-
arm out.
Yeah, because you're killing me. You're killing me, so I can't. You're killing me, so I can't put my arm out.
Put your other arm out.
You're killing me, so I can't put my arm out. I'm dying.
Put your other arm out.
I can't because you're killing me. I can't because you're killing me.
There is no weight on you. Put your arm out.
No, I can't because I'm
Lady,
an old
put
lady.
your arm out.
I'm an elderly lady, so I cannot. So
What is your name?
What was my name? You already know everything. Why are you lying? And don't act like I'm crazy because you already know everything. They're lying, so I am not crazy.
Stand up.
Oh, hey, you are breaking the law.
Okay, let's go.
So you know what? Hey,
Let's
Come on.
go.
no, I need my bag.
We'll get your back.
Okay, so I'm. Okay, no. And the no.
I told you when I got here, it's not a choice.
Okay, so.
And
Okay, so.
are you injured at all?
Yes, I am, because you guys are assholes, and you guys know it. So don't even lie.
I'm gonna go talk to them.
Where are you injured at?
Everywhere, because that man tried to kill me. And you know it.
Okay, where you said that you're injured. I need to know
It's
where. So
everywhere,
we're
the
gonna
whole
fire
body.
check you.
You already know everything, because you are a police
I
officer.
just got here.
No, if you're a police officer, you know everything. So you don't lie.
What she doesn't know is the entire incident was caught on camera.
Is that a camera? Yeah. Can you tell us can you just tell me what's going on? I know the officer took them down there. I just wanted to see if I could get any more information from you guys.
The officer is now shown home surveillance footage of the entire incident.
Out the way.
You know what? If you do anything, no. Make sure that all you guys are dead. Yeah! If you put me, you guys are all dead. If you lock the door, you guys are all dead. I'm gonna call the police. No, it doesn't matter. If you live, it does not matter if you die. There's no home. You know why? Because you don't deserve a home. The reason why is you live in this house with 10 million people, and I live in my house with one person all by myself. You guys are dead. You're dead. You're dead. You guys are dead in 2 seconds. By whoever hell is supporting this, like, go ahead.
Okay.
The reason why this gate is dead. This gate is dead. You can't even hit me, so if that boy hit me, that means I know for a fact. There's nothing. There's no hell. There is no
Okay.
heaven. It's deep love, and that's where you guys are all going.
Go to your home.
And you guys are fucking.
You can go to your home. Please.
You guys are not even fucking Christian. You guys are liars.
In the house anymore.
There's no religion. No, let go. Oh, you're not letting go. That's what restraining order. Restraining order. I'm gonna sue you. Restraining order. I'm gonna sue you for restraining order.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. I can't. I can't.
Okay.
I can't.
Hannah continued to yell at and berate the people at the home until police arrived on scene.
Are you also willing to provide a statement that she tried to push you and kick you?
I'm okay.
I can't make you do it. but it will determine how long she's away. I mean, she kicked you, or she tried to kick you, tried to push you. That shouldn't happen.
The thing that she took off, she was like pushing people.
She used that.
Yeah, she pulled it off and then threw it at him.
Would you like to provide a statement on her throwing defense at you? No? Okay.
Did she hurt anyone else other than this? Other than the kicking that was on the video? Did she hit anybody?
She started hitting me.
She started hitting you?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you injured?
No.
No?
But she started like slapping me and stuff.
She was slapping you?
Yeah.
Okay. When was this?
Right before she kicked him.
Were you here the entire time dealing with her?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. How
old? I'm 15.
15, okay.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I get a statement from you as to everything that happened, including her hitting you, and then obviously take a look to see if you have any injuries?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hurt?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
She hit me hard.
How'd she hit you? Closed fist, open hand?
She started slapping me.
She started slapping you,
Yeah.
open hand? So they have door camera of her kicking at him.
Perfect. Yes.
I already got that camera footage.
Perfect, thank
and
you.
then she also slapped him a few times. And
Oh.
he's going to give me a statement as well.
Perfect.
Said it did hurt, but he doesn't have any marks.
All right.
So